Number 807, Amy, May 27, 2022. Dear Sego, honey, I would like to be with you so much. I can't stop thinking of you day and night. Honey, do you know? My heart is yours and I would like to be with you every day. I can't control to think of you. I can feel that you are just like a small ant to bite my heart step by step. I think I will give in soon. I would like to let you feel how sweet my heart will be for you. I do want to be with you crazily. Honey, I would like to have a new life with you soon. I am so tired of my current life. No passion. No company. Honey, I want to accompany you to enjoy many sweet things. I can't wait to be with you day and night. I want to let you feel my sweetheart day and night. Honey, I would like to give you my entire heart. Will you always cherish it and make it feel great? I want you to be with me so much. I can't wait to give you endless kisses. Love you. I will wait for your sweet letter and chat, okay? Kisses. Amy Queenie 56, May 28, 2022. Dear Sego, all love is sweet, giving or returned. Joy is found only in love, life is found only in loving. Dear, do you think so? Hello, dear, nice to meet you here. Am I the one who you are looking for in your life? I am, I hope. My hometown is XXX, which is located at the southwest area of XXX. A very beautiful mountain city. Dear, maybe you have heard about the city before. By the way, dear, have you ever been to China by yourself? I am Queenie, a passionate and easygoing woman. Every time when I watch movie, especially the moving spot, I will be touched easily, and cannot stop my tears. Actually in life, I am also a very perceptual woman. So I also need a passionate man. Such as you. Dear, at the moment, can you feel that I am the one who you are waiting for? I love life and family is also an important thing for me in the world. Dear, are you willing to build a family with me? And I know that it is too early for us to talk about it, but I just want to say this, I work and live in 4X now. In my spare time, I would love to do lots of things, such as running, go climbing, yoga, cooking and swimming, but I am not good at swimming, hee. The thing I want to do most when I feel tired, is to go to do spa. After the tired body is relaxed, the feeling is so good, hee. And sometimes, I also go to study some special massage methods, and the teacher says that my massage skill is good now, hee. And dear, I will help you to do some massage when you feel tired from work. Are you ready for that? Lol dear, hope that I will hear from you soon. Have a good day Queenie.